I'm making baked ziti. It's not really an Italian dish, it's more Italian-American, but it's my husband's birthday and we're celebrating tonight, and I wanted something simple to make. Plus, there's a ton of sausage in here, and he loves sausage, so he's going to love this dish. And I'll show you how to make it. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare.
Whoa, whoa, yeah.
Ciao, I'm Lucia, and this is GreenOlive Cooking. This is a channel where I bring meals and memories through wholesome Italian cooking to your kitchen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, because that's my way of letting you know I have a new recipe for you. So I'm making baked ziti today, and one of the reasons I decided to make it is because I wanted a simple dish, because it is my husband's birthday, and a lot of people are coming over, and there's appetizers and all kinds of things to get ready. So I wanted something simple that I could just put in the oven and forget it, and it tastes really good because of not only all the sausage, but the mushroom and the cheese, and you can't go wrong with cheese. So to start this dish, I've got some pasta cooking, and I've also cooked up some sausage. And if you'd like to know how to make homemade sausage, I'll include a link in the annotation card, and you can go see how to make your own homemade sausage. So now that it's sauteed nice and crisp, I'm going to start adding my mushrooms. And so I just want to either slice or quarter them. I like to quarter them because there are some people in my family that don't like mushrooms. So I feel if I quarter them, it's easier for them to pull out. So I'm just going to add these to the sausage. So if you notice that your food is kind of sticking on the bottom, I like to add a little water, or even chicken broth, or I happen to have some pasta water, whatever you'd like to add. And that just kind of helps clear up the fond that's created on the bottom, and it gives you a lot more flavor, because there's a lot of flavor in that fond that's at the bottom of the pot. I'm just going to add my 1 pound of cooked pasta. So I have about 1 pound of ground beef and about 1 pound of mushrooms. Again, the amounts you can add however much you want. If you aren't a big mushroom fan, don't add as much mushrooms, or you can add more. Whatever you would like is fine. And if you wanted to make this vegetarian, by all means, you don't even have to have the sausage in here. You could just add more mushrooms. You could even add some zucchini or butternut squash, or whatever kind of vegetables that you would like is totally fine. I'm going to start adding my cream ingredients. And so first I'm going to break up my egg. So 2 eggs. I'm just going to kind of break it up here a little bit. And I'm going to add 1 pound of ricotta. I'm going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of chopped parsley. And I'm just going to kind of mix this all up until it's well incorporated. And then I'm going to add about half of my mozzarella. I've got about 1 pound here. So I'm going to put in about half a pound, because I want to save the other pound for topping on the baked ziti to give it that nice crisp, topping. The other thing I'm going to add is a little bit of sauce. We've got about 3 cups of sauce. You kind of play around with the amount. If you like more sauce, you can by all means add 4 cups. But I've got about 3 cups here, and start adding, just to kind of loosen all this cheese up, because then I'm going to add my pasta in here. And I want this to be really well incorporated. Now I'm going to add my pasta in here. And get that all nice and coated. Okay, and now I'm going to take the sausage and the mushrooms that are cooked, and I'm going to add it to this. So I'm going to actually add a little bit of the pasta water to help thin it out a little. I probably added about half a cup. And I'm probably going to add just a little bit more sauce too. And You just want to get this all mixed up till it's nice and well incorporated. Okay, that looks pretty well incorporated. So now at this point, I'm going to add it to my baking dish. So you want a nice deep baking dish. I like to spray it with a little bit of oil just to ensure that it's not going to stick as I go to grab the pasta when I'm ready to serve it. And so now I'm going to add it to the dish. Right, so now I'm going to cover it with some foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. Cook it for about half an hour, and then I'll take it out and I will put the rest of the mozzarella on top, take the foil off, put it back in so it gets nice and golden brown, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's ready. So this cooked for about 40 minutes. I added a little bit more sauce on top, and then like I said, I put the mozzarella, and it got nice and golden brown, as you can see. It looks super yummy. It just came out of the oven, and my husband just came home. I told him, honey, that this is what we were making for your birthday dinner tonight. So, especially because there's a lot of sausage in here, I know it's going to be your favorite.
No bacon?
No, but it's the same animal.
That's true.
So anyway, go ahead and try it. It's hot. It did come out of the oven. But, it's got so much cheese. It's hot, hot, hot.
I can taste the sausage.
Yeah, did you get a piece? Yeah, it's really good. This is a wonderful meal that you can make ahead of time. You can do 2 batches, freeze one for a night that you don't have time to make dinner, and then make one for dinner. It's great leftovers. And like I said, it's very versatile, so you could use ground chicken if you didn't want to use pork, sausage, ground beef, anything you'd like. But it's a wonderful dish, easy, and makes entertainment easy when you have a birthday dinner to plan for. Yeah.
So, this is my half, and then everybody else can have that half.
Okay.
All right. Good job.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in to the GreenOlive Cooking channel. Go ahead and click on this video if you'd like to see another recipe. Otherwise, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.